Hello there, it's Digby. Not long ago finished making this dimple pick for somebody. Just been chatting to them not long ago, just letting them know that I'm going to be posting it off to them. But one thing that came up in talking to them is because it's something new that I've tried doing this cutaway design, so that the shaft of the flag is seen all the way through. I don't know how strong it's going to be, so I thought I'd pick a few locks with it before I posted it off and wasted the postage, because it's going off a fair old distance, and it'd be a shame to post it all the way over there and have it break first time that he uses it. So not long ago I also got a box of locks from Hoser Kazad. And amongst it was this one, which is, just looking at them, is my absolute favourite, because it's got this absolutely fantastic little logo on it, which is an elephant holding a key in his trunk. It's a make I'm not familiar with. It's a Basi. I think it's a German make. Dimple lock on the key. It's got CX6. Maybe that's the model number of the lock, because it is a 6-pin lock, or that just might be the key blank number, I don't know, but the Basi elephant is on there as well. I wonder if that's the bitting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that could be the bitting. Does that look about right? So 1, 3, 5, 3, 4. Yeah, it could be about right. Some low ones in the front and then some really high ones in the back. I'm hoping it's not too hard a lock, but I thought I'd just give the new pick a run. As I say, if it's going to break, I'd rather it break here without wasting the postage. So let's see how we get on with picking this. If there's enough time, I've got the gutting equipment out, because I'd like to see what's in this lock as well. Right, so here we go. Basi in the vise. Let's just go down to the back of the lock. Okay, click out of 6. Click out of 2, I think that was. Now it's 3. Let's click out of 2. Click out of 1 and into a false set. That's good. That means we're making progress. Okay, while I'm just there, I'm really quite liking the feel of the pick in the fingers. These holes really give you a lot of grip and able to ident where the pick is in the lock. Okay, let's carry on. Okay, that feels like number 4. Getting counter rotation, but just can't quite get underneath it. Yeah, and that's the lock open. Okay, obviously not a hard lock to pick. Pick seems to have survived so far, so I'm going to put that down. Got the key, so we can lock that back up. And bring the pinning mat over. I'm going to put that safe over there. Right, let's have a look. Looks like a bendy. Okay, so clip off, key in, and there is a big groove in the back of that, so definitely going to use a shim. I mean, I tend to shim everything anyway nowadays. Okay, where are the pins going to be? Okay, so quick look around that core. Absolutely filthy. Anything unusual about it? Nothing particularly unusual. So key out. And we'll just quickly dump these key pins out. It's actually number 3. That's actually the anti-drill pin. One hasn't come out at all. So 1, 2. Okay, they might be a little bit mixed up. So proper look around that core now. Because as I say, I've never seen a Basi before. That's all okay. And you guys get to look at the elephant while I'm taking the these pins out. So that's a standard in 1. Nice spool in 2. Standard in 3. Another spool in 4. Standard in 5. Standard in 6. Okay, and I am going to dump all the springs out as well, he says. A fight for the springs, bad looks of it. Yeah, it's still in there. Not got a pick at the ready. Something weird in chamber 1 as well. Let's get something that we can have a poke in there. I hadn't anticipated this. Okay. Okay, yeah, what we were seeing was gunk. So let's just get them out. Okay. Loads of gunk in there. Yeah. And give this a clean before it goes back together. So there you go. There's those nice spools that I was talking about. Only 2 of them. That's the anti-drill there, and all standard key pins and some really, really gunky springs. So yeah, I am going to pick a couple more. Probably not on video, but I thought it'd show the pick off and show the lock off. I will then, as long as the pick survives, I'll give the flag and everything a repolish so that it's all in unscratched and pristine condition, and then it'll get sent off in the post. So there you go. Thanks for watching.